Hello, today I'm going to talk about slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is this equation. This is when you have the y alone, la y sola, in the front, en el frente. So it's y equals mx plus b. Okay? The m is actually the slope or the rate of change, and the b is the y-intercept. The x and the y are from the ordered pair x and y. Okay, so slope-intercept form has to be in this form, y alone with an equals. Usually you have a number for m, letter x plus number for b. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our first example. Write in slope-intercept form. I have slope equals -2 and the y-intercept is 4. So let's go ahead and copy all of this down and begin. Okay, so number 1, let me change this. Number 1, I have slope equals -2 and y-intercept, oops, let me go ahead and zoom out here, and y-intercept equals 4, okay? So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, slope is -2. Now slope, remember, slope is m, okay? So actually m equals -2. And my y-intercept is b, so b equals 4. So I have m and I have b. So I'm going to put those numbers inside for those letters. So y equals m is -2, copy x, plus b is 4. This is the answer in slope-intercept form. Let's do it again. Number 2. My slope, so there's that. Let me do number 2. I'm going to erase because number 2 is a little longer. Question 2, I have the slope is 4, and I have an ordered pair 2, 5. So remember, slope is m, which is 4. Now I have 2 and 5, that means x, y. So x equals 2, y equals 5. So I have m, x, and y. And there's one letter that I need. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. I have y, I have x, I have m, I need b. Necesito b. So let's put the numbers inside. So I got y equals mx plus b. Draw your line. Y is 5 equals m is 4. X is 2 in parenthesis, and then copy plus b because there is no b. You're going to do your parenthesis first. So 4 times 2, 4 por 2. So 4 times 2, 4, parenthesis 2, parenthesis, enter. I get 8. Copy plus b equals copy 5. I want b alone. What number with b? 8, positive 8. The opposite of positive is negative. So -8, copy -8. Which one cancels? The right. Copy b equals 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8, -3. And switch. b equals -3. So this is my b. But I'm not finished. Now I need to put in the equation y equals mx plus b. Now, in this equation, m and b are numbers. M y b son números. Y and x are letters. La y y el x son letras. So y equals m. The number for m, el número por m is 4. X. And then b is -3 minus 3. This is my final answer. There it is. Let's try question 3. Question 3 is very similar. We're just practicing again some more. So for number 3, the slope is 3, and I have the ordered pair 3, 4. Slope is m, so m equals 3, and this is x, y here. So x equals 3, y equals 4, and I need b. Let's use our formula. Y equals mx plus b. Put the line. Y is 4 equals m is 3, x is 3, in parentheses, plus b. I don't have b. Parenthesis first, so 3 times 3, 9. Copy plus b, copy 4. I want b alone. 9 is with b. This is positive 9. The opposite is negative. Minus 9. Copy minus 9. This one cancels. Copy down b equals 4 minus 9. Let's see, 4 minus 9 is negative 5. And we switch. b equals negative 5. So y equals mx plus b. Only m and b are changed to numbers. So I have y equals m3 x, b, negative 5 minus 5. This is my equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x minus 5. Okay, next one. Question 4. I have 2 ordered pairs. I have 1, negative 4, and I have 3, 2. Okay, so what I need, remember what I need for slope-intercept form is I need number for m and I need a number for b. So I need m and I need b. So first let's go ahead and find m. So part 1, m, which is the slope, right? And that's easy to find. There's a formula for that. It's m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? And so I have 2 points, so I can do x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? So y2 is 2 minus y1 is negative 4 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is 1. Put the top in the calculator, so 2 minus negative 4, that is 6, divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And I like to put a little m here so I remember that is my m. So I got m. Part 2, I need to find b, which is the y-intercept. And that's an easy thing to do. You do y equals mx plus b. And we're going to put the numbers inside. So I have m. Now I need an x and a y to find b. I'm going to pick one. Pick one. I'll pick this one. Okay? So my x equals 3, my y equals 2, and my m equals 3. So it doesn't matter which one. No importa cuál ordered pair. I think I want this one. Yo quiero esta, but you can use this one. Pero puede usar esta. Okay? So y is 2 equals m is 3, x is 3, in parentheses, plus b. Copy 2 equals 3 times 3, 3 por 3, 9. Copy plus b. I want b alone. Quiero b solo. So 9 is with b. 9 está con b. This is positive. The opposite is negative. So minus 9. Copy minus 9. This cancels. I get b equals 2 minus 9. -7. And switch. So I got b equals -7. Okay, now I need to put the numbers inside the formula. So part 3, I don't really have space. I'm going to do y equals mx plus b, and m and b are numbers. So y equals m is 3, x, b, -7, -7. So this is my final answer. Okay, let's do it again. Number 5. Make sure that you are copying everything. The best way to remember is to write it down. Number 5. I have 4, -7, and 0, 5. Okay, first I need the slope. So part 1, I'm going to find the slope. That's m, right? So m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 5 minus y1 is -7 divided by x2 is 0 minus x1 is 4. So 5 minus -7. So let's see, 5 minus -7, 12. Divided by 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4, -4. 12 divided by -4. 12 divided by -4, -3. This is m. Part 2. Now I need b, the y-intercept. Okay, so b I don't know. So let's see, m equals, x equals, y equals. Okay, m is -3. X, I need to pick a point. Let's go with this one. X is 0, y is 5. It doesn't matter which one, no importa cuál. Okay, and the formula is y equals mx plus b. Y is 5 equals m is -3. X is 0 in parentheses plus b. Let's put the parentheses in the calculator. So -3 times 0. So -3 parentheses 0 parentheses 0. 0, it basically cancels if it's 0. Copy b, copy 5, and switch. b equals 5. So let's put it in the equation. So part 3, y equals mx plus b. M and b are numbers, so y equals m -3, x, b is +5. There's my final answer. Okay, let's keep going. Number 6. I have y, let me erase that. Y minus 0 equals 5 halves times x plus 3. I'm going to put my line. Parenthesis first, okay? I have 2 things in the parenthesis, and I have 5 halves outside, and I'm going to do 5 halves to x and 5 halves to 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put 5 halves, parenthesis, x, parenthesis, and then always a plus. Again, 5 halves, parenthesis, 3, parenthesis. So remember, you're going to repeat that 5 halves 2 times. Equals y minus 1. What is y minus, y minus 0? Y minus 0. What is anything minus 0? Let me just show you. If I have 3 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 100 minus 0, y minus 0. Let's put this in the calculator just to see what the answer will be. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 10 minus 0 is 10. So y minus 0 is y. So basically this cancels and you get y here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and copy y equals 5 halves times x is 5 halves x, and then 5 halves times 3. So let's go ahead and put that in the calculator. So I'm going to make a fraction here. 5 up, 2 down, go to the right, parenthesis, 3, parenthesis, enter, and I get 15 halves. I need a sign, so it's positive. There it is in slope-intercept form. What is the slope? Well, the slope here is m. That's the slope, or the rate of change. And the y-intercept is 15 halves. So b equals 15 halves. That's the y-intercept. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 7. Number 7, I have y minus 2 equals negative 7 times x minus 4. I'm going to draw my line. Parenthesis first. I have two things in this parenthesis. Okay, I'm going to do negative 7 times x and negative 7 times negative 4. So we're going to do negative 7 parenthesis x parenthesis. Always a plus, and then again negative 7 times negative 4. Okay, so we're going to do here negative 7 times x, which is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 4, let's see, negative 7 times negative 4 is positive 28. Positive 28. So that looks good. Now we're going to have to copy this here. So y minus 2, y minus 2. Now remember slope-intercept form, you want y alone. What number with y? Minus 2. The opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. No letter here. So you need to put it with the no letter. No letter, no letter. So plus 2. This cancels at 0. Copy y equals, copy down negative 7x. 28 plus 2 is 30, positive 30. There it is. What is the rate of change or slope? The slope is negative 7, and the y-intercept is 30. Okay, let's try number 8. Y plus 3 equals 0 times x plus 2. Draw the line. Parenthesis first, what's inside? I have x and positive 2, so I'm going to do 0 times x and 0 times 2. So 0 times x plus 0 times 2. Copy y plus 3 here. 0 times x is 0x. What's 0 times anything? 0 por alguien. 0 por cada número. 0 times 3, for example. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 100. 0. 0 times anything, 0 por everything, por todo, is 0. So basically it cancels. 0 times 2 is 0, cancels. So basically it's 0. And you have y plus 3. I want y alone. 3 is with y. This is positive 3. The opposite is minus 3. So minus 3, minus 3. This cancels. Y equals 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 3. This is it. Okay, let's see, what is the slope? What is the y-intercept? Okay, now let me just say the slope always has an x next to it. El slope siempre tiene x después. The y-intercept does not have an x. El y-intercept no tiene x. So here there's no x, no hay x, so that is the y-intercept. The slope, there is no other number, no hay otro número, so the slope is 0. Okay, slope 0, y-intercept negative 3. Let's try number 9. Number 9 is 4x minus 3y equals negative 12. Okay, so when you have something like this, you're going to move the x first. This is positive 4x. The opposite is negative. So minus 4x, copy, minus 4x. 4 minus 4 is 0, cancel. Copy down, negative 3y equals. These are not like terms. So here there's an x, here no x. So you're going to copy. Negative 12 minus 4x. I want y alone. What number with y? Negative 3. In the middle, nothing. It's multiplication. The opposite, divide negative 3. And here divide negative 3, divide negative 3. This cancels. Y equals negative 12 divided by negative 3, 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 3, positive 4/3, positive. So positive 4/3, copy x. Now we need to switch. So y equals, this is positive 4/3 x, positive 4 plus 4. There it is. What is my slope? Slope 4/3, y-intercept 4. There. One more, last one. Number 10. I have 4y minus x equals 32. Draw my line. Gonna move the x because I want y alone. So this is minus x, the opposite is positive x. So plus x, here, plus x. This cancels, copy down. 4y equals, here these are not like terms. There's no x here, and here there's an x. So we're gonna copy 32 plus x. I want y alone. 4 is with y. Nothing in the middle is multiply. The opposite, divide 4. So here divide 4, divide 4. This cancels. Y equals 32 divided by 4, 8. And here, there's no number in front of x, so you will need to put a 1 here. So 1 divided by 4 is the same. Positive 1 divided by 4x. And we will switch. Y equals 1/4 x, positive 8. There it is. Now let's find the rate of change or slope. That is 1/4 because it has an x. Tiene x, it has an x. And my y-intercept b is 8. There it is. Thank you for watching.